In this video, we are going to learn how to represent rational numbers on a number line.
Before we look at the representation of rational numbers on a number line, let us first understand what is a number line. A number line is graphical representation of numbers from negative infinity to positive infinity. This number line shows the representation of natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Whole numbers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And integers, which includes negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. Positive integers are located on the right side of 0 and negative integers are located on the left side of 0. And 0 is neither negative nor positive. The numbers increase when we move towards right and decrease when we move towards left. The arrowheads on both sides show that the integers continue up to infinity on the positive side as well as on the negative side. Also, note that the distance between any two consecutive numbers is always the same. Every integer except 0 has a corresponding integer. Integer 1 has -1 as a corresponding integer. Integer 2 has -2 as a corresponding integer. Integer 3 has -3 as a corresponding integer. Similarly, every negative integer will have a corresponding positive integer. Steps to represent rational numbers on the number line. Step 1. Draw a straight line of suitable length and mark arrows on both ends of the line to show that the line continues indefinitely in both the directions. Step 2. Nearly at the middle of this line, mark a point O. That represents number 0. Step 3. Starting from 0, mark points on this line at equal distances both on right and on left of 0. In this way, and then label the points 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3. Step 4. You need to identify whether the numbers given are proper fractions, that is numerator less than the denominator, or improper fractions or mixed fractions, that is numerator greater than the denominator. Dividing in these two groups will help you to locate the given numbers on a number line. The rational numbers that are proper fractions lie between 0 and 1. For example, let's take 1/2. Now 1/2 is greater than 0 and it is less than 1. So 1/2 lies between 0 and 1. The rational numbers that are improper fractions, we need to first convert it into mixed fraction and then represent it on a number line. Let's see an example. 3 by 2. Let's convert 3 by 2 into mixed fraction. 3 divided by 2. 2 times 1 gives 2. Subtract it. We get the remainder as 1. So we write it in the form of Q R by D. So 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Converting into mixed fraction helps us to locate the point on a number line. Now 3 by 2 lies between 1, which is the whole number part, and the next whole number, that is 2. So 3 by 2 lies between 1 and 2. What if the given number is a negative rational number? For example, minus 1 by 2 and minus 3 by 2. In minus 1 by 2, the numerator is less than the denominator, so we will consider that under proper fractions. And in minus 3 by 2, the numerator is greater than the denominator, we will consider that under improper fractions. So, minus 1 by 2 will lie between minus 1 and 0, and minus 3 by 2 will lie between minus 2 and minus 1. Now, let us understand how to plot rational numbers that are proper fractions on a number line. Represent 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 on a number line. First, we will draw the number line in this way. Since we know that all proper fractions lie between 0 and 1, we need to represent 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 on this number line. 1 by 2 lies between 0 and 1, that is on the right side of 0, and minus 1 by 2 lies between minus 1 and 0, that is on the left side of 0. Since the denominator is 2, so now we are going to divide each unit into 2 equal parts in this way. And the numerator tells us number of parts away from 0. So 1 by 2 lies between 0 and 1 in this position, and minus 1 by 2 lies at the same distance on the left hand side of 0, that is in this position. So in this way we represent 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 on a number line. We use this method to plot rational numbers that are proper fractions on a number line. Next, let us understand how to plot rational numbers that are improper fraction or mixed fraction on a number line. Represent 5 by 4 and minus 5 by 4 on a number line. First, we will draw number line in this way. Since 5 by 4 and minus 5 by 4 have numerator greater than the denominator, so we will convert into mixed fraction. 5 divided by 4. 4 times 1 gives 4. Remainder is 1. So we are going to write in the form of Q R by D. So 5 by 4 is written as 1 by 4, and minus 5 by 4 is written as minus 1 by 4. In the mixed fraction 1 by 4, the whole number part is 1. Therefore, 5 by 4 lies between 1 and the next whole number, that is 2. And in minus 1 by 4, the whole number part is minus 1. Therefore, minus 5 by 4 will lie between minus 1 and minus 2. In the given rational numbers 5 by 4 and minus 5 by 4, the denominator is 4. Since the denominator is 4, we need to divide each unit into 4 equal parts. So let's divide each unit into 4 equal parts in this way. Now you can see that each unit is divided into 4 equal parts. 5 by 4 lies between 1 and 2, and in 1 by 4 the fractional part is having 1 in the numerator, so it is 1 part away from 1, that is 5 by 4 is in this position. Same way, minus 5 by 4 lies between minus 1 and minus 2. And in minus 1 by 4, the numerator of the fractional part is 1. So minus 5 by 4 lies in this position. That is, we need to move 1 part to the left of minus 1. So in this way we represent 5 by 4 and minus 5 by 4 on a number line.
Thank you for watching. Practice the sums given in the worksheet. Happy learning.